Hey friends, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning in my Hobonichi weeks, and we're going to be planning for next week, which is the 27th through the 2nd, which is crazy. I'm really excited for the new year, just kind of starting off. I don't know, is starting off fresh even the word? Just all the possibilities that a new year brings, and I'm hoping that everyone has had a nice holiday. If you celebrate Christmas, Merry Christmas. Christmas didn't go the way I thought it would, but overall it's fine. So, I'm happy to be here. Happy that we did have a nice day and everyone is safe and healthy. So I hope you guys are also doing well and hanging in there. Okay, so let's put down the weeks. I am using Sweet Kawaii Design's kit, and this is the Introvert New Year's kit. Oh, I'm already making a mess. So if you guys are new here, thanks and welcome for joining. Thanks for being here. I'm happy to have you. I use this weeks as my social media planner, and I actually use another weeks as a meal planner, which I haven't shown on here because I don't usually do too much with stickers with it. I kind of just write everything out. Seeing if I even had it up here. I think it's downstairs. So I'm just putting the basics of the kit down. Okay, so I love to use the trackers. I use this as a tracker for filming YouTube videos, and then I use these two for Instagram and Facebook. So I'll put these down. And then this is so cute. Kiss me at midnight, but then it says 9 p.m. So I love it. All right, for fun, we're gonna go ahead and put these friends here. They're really cute. And then we'll put this dumpster. 2021 wasn't like terrible, just, I don't know, it was all right. And let me see, I think I'll use some stickers I have here. All right, maybe I don't have them in that one. Yeah, so I'm gonna use a $2 Tuesday and Free Week Friday. You guys hear my kids. Sorry about that. I think that I'm gonna try something different. I'm hoping it'll help me plan out my social media, because now that I've been working, I find it very difficult to post when I'm at work. Sometimes things get really crazy, and that's 12 hours worth of crazy. So maybe if I put these days off, no, I would almost want to put a work sticker, or I put a day off sticker, and then that day I can take pictures of what I need for the next few days. Let's try that, because I have a lot of these day offs. Let's do that. I don't know if I'm working Sunday yet, so we'll leave that one blank. So I don't know. Maybe if I do this, then I know that I have to take pictures on the other days. For the other days. Alright, my kids are totally playing games, so they're super loud. My apologies. Okay, and then I had done it previously, and then I stopped doing it. But I think I'm going to do it again. I am going to take these and use them as ideas for the week. I'll show you guys what I mean. Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I had this thing zoomed in, and then I made you guys miss everything. I'm not sure if I have a Facebook one. A little Facebook icon. Oh, there it is. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'll post a before and an after and show you guys how it turns out. But like, I didn't use the right side this week, and then here we are here. So it just depends. I just want to be a little bit more intentional about the post and do a little bit of a better job. So we'll see how this works out. And then in the back, I just went ahead and labeled, and then I thought I could actually use the pages in the back. So that's the plan. I hope you guys have a wonderful week and are having a wonderful day, and I will see you guys next time.